Hello everyone, it's the first day of the Easter long holiday, and guess what? My mom dragged me to go hiking.
Because why not? It's a perfect day for a hike. Better than lying in bed and scrolling your phone all day. Agree?
We are heading to Mount Cannibal Flora and Fauna Reserve.
We're at the base of the mountain and we packed everything we need. Water and...
Well, here's Mom, aka Alice, checking her gear as usual.
Yes.
We're ready to hit the trail. I wore boots today. They're comfy, but I could feel every rock through the soles. Next time, definitely sneakers.
Tracy.
Wow, look at the view. Totally worth the climb. This is my favorite part. Just sitting here and soaking it all in. This is the lookout where you can see the whole view. People are lining up to take photos. Mom is also snapping pictures of me and filming at the same time. Alright, legs are tired. Time to head back. 下山请我吃冰淇淋啊。确定？ My heart feels full. If you haven't been hiking in a while, get out there. Nature is the best therapy. Totally.
看这个小朋友已经爬不动了，他在这儿讨价还价，想要吃冰淇淋。你告诉大家你想吃什么冰淇淋 ？What kind of ice cream do you want?
我不知道，好吃的。
哦，今天只有麦当劳开门了。赏你个5毛钱的 soft serve。
什么叫赏？我自己带了钱，我自己买。
好，你有钱，那你请我吃。
为什么？凭什么
？5毛钱你都舍不得请我吃。
Thanks for hiking with me today. Don't forget to like and follow if you want to see more chill adventures. Catch you next time.